Nyambaria senior nigo bono yarigania umuiga wa Amasabo hase Esukuru yabo erio kwarigania ABAOROKIGWA eribo yamo 35 bari bagochia GOISARANSERA AMATEMWA bamane yo mwaka oyiga ase omoiga oyo nigo baikira na abaibori abarimu na baiga barandia abo bono baborire ABAOROKIGWA banyara ko bagotwara okwegena buna omonene na barabu ase chisemi chabo ase chinkwana chia ABAOROKIGWA nigo bono baenekirie abaibori buna mbache goikirania ebirengo biria biganeirie ase AMATEMWA yo gocha.
I move the 38 candidates before the servants of God to pray for this candidate this year, so that as they have dreamed that they can attain their mean grade, which is 10.64 plus.
And I want to go with you candidates. I can because God gives me strength. I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. I wish to say that one of the greatest enemies of success is self-doubt. When you doubt yourself, that is the greatest enemy of success. Many candidates, when they approach their exams, they approach wondering whether they are good enough to make it. They approach wondering whether they are prepared enough. They are wondering whether they are capable enough to make it. Others compare themselves with classmates and they conclude that they cannot succeed. That is an enemy when you doubt yourself. But today, as I stand before you, Paul is teaching us of a different kind of confidence. Remember that your God is greater than any other giant.
And we promise you that come the end of this year, you shall be smiling as parents. Msikuwe na hofu. Just be sure that we are going to deliver whenever we are required. Because as Form 4, there is something that we have, that is hunger for grace. Thank you.